Students, good morning everyone. So, 4th class science. Now I will tell you 4th class science. So that is continuation. So continuation of the science. So here, which lesson we have been started? That is unit 6 we have been started. Okay. Unit 6 we have been started. That is lesson name Mother Earth. So care of plants and animals. So this is the lesson number 13. We have been started. So care of plants and animals. So first we have learned care of plants. Next label this chain. Next proper watering. So here some he given how, therefore how to take care of plants. We have to see water. First one is pouring water, proper and sufficient manure fertilizer. Next, protection from animals, protection against insects, protection against bad weather. So this we have learn what is a proper watering, how to pour water properly. Next, how we have to give to the plants sufficient fertilizer and manure. Next, how to protect from the plants from animals. Again, against protection of insects. So against bad weather, how we will protect. So this all we have been learned. Next, now we are going to the afforestation. Afforestation we have now we will learn. Okay. So afforestation ante entidi? So growing more and more trees is called afforestation. What is a afforestation? Growing more and more trees ante చెట్లని పెంచుతూ ఎక్కువగా పెంచడం. Growing more and more trees. This is known as afforestation. The human population is increasing at the alarming rate. More human means more houses, food, clothes, papers, factories, furniture, school and more of everything. Here more increasing of human population. So human population increasing ante ekkuva what they are doing nowadays, more and more population is going on. So here increasing ante ekkuva population perugutundi kabatti, so here we have to hammering the rate. So here more human means more houses. So ikkada ekkuva em avali, we want more houses, more food, more clothes, more papers, more factories, furniture, schools, etc. So this all we need. Why? Because the increasing of human population is increasing. So this all must be increased here. To provide this we need more land. So here if we want to provide, we have to need more land. Ante chala bhumi we have, chala ekku bhumi avasaram. So forests are being cut down to make more land available for agriculture, houses, industry, etc. So here deforestation ante cutting down the trees. So ikkada manamu ekkadaithe population ekkuva perugutundo manaki undadaniki chaala place avasaram, andukane ekkuva chetlani kottestూ unnaru. So here agriculture kavali anna they are doing the taking the land and they are doing agriculture. Next, if you want to build houses, so we want the land. So wherever it is a forest is there, they are cutting down the trees and they are making the trees. Without the cutting down of forest, it is becoming very difficult to control floods and landslides. So here with the cutting down the forest, it is becoming ekkuva adavini they are cutting now. So they are doing deforestation. So it is becoming very difficult to control floods ni, and landslides means we can't control this one. So if we cut the forest, we can't control this one. It is making difficult. Chala ibbendiga undi flood and landslide to stop it. So the cutting of the forest has here the cutting of the forest has led of droughts. So here cutting of forest is led in the droughts. Animals living in the forest have no food and shelter, so they die. So here nowadays in the zoo park also they are dying because there is no sufficient food for them. So for cutting of the forest, the animals, where they will go? So nowadays attacks are going on near Ramanpet. So why this is beginning? Because the cutting of the forest. సో మనం అడవిని కూడా ఇల్లు చేసుకుంటే అవి ఎక్కడ బతకాలి? అడవిలోనే బతుకుతాయి ఏవి? యానిమల్స్. సో హియర్ అడవినే కట్ చేస్తుంటారు, ఎక్కడ పోతా ఇళ్ళలోకి వచ్చి దాడి చేస్తాయి. సో యూఆర్ సీయింగ్ ఇన్ సో నౌ ఎడేస్ టీవీ. సో చీతపులి ఇటు వచ్చింది దాడి చేసింది, పొలాలలో వచ్చి దాడి చేసింది, అక్కడ వచ్చి దాడి చేసింది, రోడ్డు మీద పోతున్నారు. సో లైక్ దిస్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్? బికాస్ ఆఫ్ అ కట్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ అ ఫారెస్ట్. సో హియర్ animals live in the forest have no food. అవిటికి no food and shelter అంటే ఏంటి? అవి ఉండడానికి నివాసం. They have shelter. How we have shelter? So how to live, they don't have food, they don't have shelter. So there are some animals they are dying, some animals they are dispersing from that place. So some animals they are also dying. To make up all these losses, to here whatever the makeup of losses are there, we must plant more trees regularly. Here to avoid these losses we have to afforestation. We have to do afforestation. So here Vana Mahotsav is a program of planting in a large number of trees. So here Vana Mahotsav తెలుసు కదా, Vana Mahotsav they have been started. So Haritaram also they have started, and Vana Mahotsav program planting of trees, చెట్లని నాటడం, they have started large numbers. This is not only help to maintain the balance of nature. So here not only the helping of the nature and maintaining of the nature balance, but also makes our surrounding look pleasant. మన యొక్క సరౌండింగ్స్ చెట్లు పెడితే ఎంత అందంగా ఉంటాయంటే it look very beautiful. Not only planting more and more trees, but it looks very beautiful. It looks very beautiful our surroundings, and also pleasant, చాలా ప్రశాంతమైన వాతావరణం. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీకు చెప్పాలి అంటే మనం ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా ఊర్లోకి వెళ్ళామనుకో, అక్కడ చల్లగాలి వస్తుంది, ఫ్యాన్ లేకపోయినా సరే చల్లగాలి వస్తుంది. ఎందుకు? అక్కడ ఎక్కువ చెట్లు ఉంటాయి, చెట్ల కింద కూర్చుంటారు, ఎక్కువగా చెట్లని పెంచుతారు. సో మన దగ్గర ఏంది ఎక్కువ? ఇన్ సిటీస్ దెర్ ఈజ్ నో ట్రీస్, దెర్ ఈజ్ నో అంటే గాలి ఉండదు, ఎందుకంటే ఇల్లు పక్కన ఇల్లే ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి గాలి ఎక్కువగా ఉండదు. ఎక్కువగా ఏముంటుంది? ఎక్కువగా ఇదే ఉంటుంది. ఏముంటుంది ఎక్కువగా? సో ఆల్వేస్ బిల్డింగ్స్ ఆర్ సో మెనీ దేర్ హియర్. సో there is no more trees there because they all built the houses beside of their పక్కనే ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఎక్కువగా చెట్లు ఉండవు. సో దే విల్ ఆల్వేస్ కమ్ టు హోమ్, పుట్ ద ఫ్యాన్, స్విచ్ చేయాలి, ఫ్యాన్ వస్తుంది, లేదంటే ఏసీ వేసుకుంటారు. మన దగ్గర ఊర్లలోకి వెళ్ళినా సరే ఏమవుతుంది? చల్లగా గాలి వస్తుంది, చెట్టు కిందనే మనం ఏం చేస్తాము? ఒక్కొక్కసారి ఎండాకాలంలో మనకి ఎంత ఉబ్బరిస్తుంది, బయటకు రావాలంటే దోమల భయం. అక్కడ అలాంటి భయాలు ఏమి ఉండవు అనమాట. ఇట్లా ఎంత చల్లగాలి, ఎంత మంచి గాలి వస్తుందంటే. సో లైక్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ వై ద ప్లాంట్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్. మనకి ఎంత పనికి వస్తాయి ప్లాంట్స్ అంటే, ఇట్ ఈస్ అ నేచర్, అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ గుడ్ ఫర్ అస్. So we can also get good air if we plant more and more trees, fresh air we will get, and fresh oxygen also we will get. Okay, here one formative assessment is there, children. So you do color only, it is a coloring. So you have to color it, just color the picture given. So in the textbook you do this one. Okay, color the picture. Okay, in the textbook, this you do in the textbook only. Okay, next write the names of 3 movements of Andalan started by the people to protect the plants. So here Andolans started by the people to protect the plants. Given Chipko movement, Apko movement, Save Silent Valley movement. So first one is Chipko movement. This has been started in Uttaranchal. ఇది ఉత్తరాంచల్లో స్టార్ట్ అయింది. సెకండ్ వన్ అప్కో మూమెంట్. It has been started in Karnataka. Save Silent, it is in Kerala. Valley Movement, Kerala, it has been started in the Kerala. So here first one Chipko movement started in Uttarakhand, APCO movement it has started in Karnataka. So next Save Silent Valley movement is started in the Kerala. So these are the movements has been annuals started by the people to protect the plants. Next we are moving to the page number 90, care of animals. Here care of animals, how we will care the animals. So how we have to care the animals we will learn. So till now we have read about the plants, how we have to protect them, how to save them. So what to save, how we must save the plants, how we have to protect the plants, how we have to plant more and more afforestation. So here caring of animals, just like plants, animals too are very useful. So here just like plants how they are useful, like that only animals also too useful for us. So thus it is our duty to take proper care of the animals. Here we have to take proper care of animals. The animals can be domestic or wild animals. Here everyone know domestic animals as well as wild animals. Domestic animals kuda telusu meeku, wild animals also you know. So here domestic animals ante entivi, cow, dog and we will etc. Next wild animals tiger, lion ఇవన్నిటిని అంటారు మనం. డొమెస్టిక్ యానిమల్స్ ఏంటివి, వైల్డ్ యానిమల్స్ అంటే అడవిలో ఉంటాయి. డొమెస్టిక్ యానిమల్స్ మనం ఇళ్ళల్లో కూడా కొన్ని పెంచుకుంటాం. సో హియర్ domestic animals like cow, buffalo and etc. are rare because they give us food, milk, meat or eggs. So these are domestic animals. Some are cow, buffalo, hen. So cow emistundi milk, buffalo milk, it will give milk, we drink it, we make tea and we will get curd, cheese, everything. So these are the domestic animals. So with the help of hen, goat we will take milk. Okay, so meat, with the help of egg we will get eggs. The pet animals like rabbit, dog, cat, fish. So pet animals are rabbit, dog, cat, fish. These are the pet animals. So these etc. are kept to fun of amusement. So we will keep in our house too. Amusement ki manam we will fun and amusement manamu dogs ni will, the dogs will guard the house. So how it will be very, it will be guard the house. Next here pet animals, example cat also we will be learn. Cat also it will, some people they will be keep in their homes. So rabbit also. So these fishes in aquarium will keep. So these are some pet animals they will keep in for their fun and amusement. If we look after our domestic animals properly, they would remain healthy and useful. So domestic animals, here what is telling, మన యొక్క domestic animals if we take care for them, they will be very safe and healthy and they will be useful as they will be very useful for us. So here we must make a proper place for the domestic animals to live. Manaku proper care తీసుకోవాలి, place to, they have their own house. వాళ్ళకి ఏముంచాలి, we have to prepare them to live a house, whatever it may be, wherever they live, safe place we have to keep. They should be able to relax and sleep at that place. So how we are keeping our, how we are being in our house, how we will live. So why we will live in our house? To protect ourselves from enemies. So like that only the animals also, they have to protect themselves from the enemies, or they have to relax. How we will take relaxation, protect and also from heat, cold, whatever it may be. So here also why they want house means to be relaxed as well as they want to sleep in their place. The place should make them feel at home. So how they have to be, that is our place, and they have to feel that is a very safe place and that is my place. So like that only he given here some formative assessment, children. Dog, parrot, horse, cow. It is a very easy. So shed, here shed of a cows, here it is a pet house, dog house. Next cage, parrot, horse, cow. So you do it in the match it and write down. Okay, match and write down. Very easy formative assessment in the textbook. You do it 90 page number. In textbook you do it. Okay. In textbook only you do it. Okay. Page number 90. It is a formative assessment. Okay. Do it, children. 4th class children. So here page number 90, it is matching the homes of the animals. Next in the formative assessment, in textbook only you do it, PB. So now I will go to the lesson. So very easy, children. Next we must give the domestic animals proper food every day and certain fixed hours of the day. Here ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మీకు నేను చూపించాను ప్రాపర్ డొమెస్టిక్ యానిమల్స్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ. ప్రాపర్ అంటే ఏంటిది, సరిగ్గా మంచిగా. వీ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ ఫుడ్ ఫర్ దెమ్ అండ్ సడన్ ఫిక్స్ అవర్ ఆఫ్ అ డే. సో మనం ఎలా తింటాము మన ఫుడ్, లంచ్, టిఫిన్ అని అన్నీ ఎలా తింటామో లైక్ దట్ ఓన్లీ we have to give for our domestic animals also same like that only food and certain hours. Morning 11 ki manam em chestam, we will take a morning 9 to 10 we will take breakfast. Like that only for the domestic animals also we have to keep food in a right time. The utensils should be kept clean. So whatever food we will give to the dogs, we or domestic animals, whatever we keep in our home, we have to keep their utensils, వాళ్ళ యొక్క bowls we have to keep clean. They should be made to eat as clean place. So they must be have to keep this very neat place. So here made a neat and eat a clean place. The drinking water should be clean and must be changed regularly. So whatever they will get food or water, their place must be very neat, clean ga neat ga undali. Ela manam తీసుకుంటామో అలా ఉండాలి. ఎవరని, the animals of domestic animals, that may be dog, cow, horse, whatever it may be, etc. They should be clean and neat. The place where the animals kept should be clean every day. This would protect them from getting diseases. Okay, here whatever the domestic animals will be there. So domestic animals ఏవైతే మనం ఇళ్ళల్లో పెట్టుకుంటామో, డాగ్ అయినా, కౌ అయినా, ఏవైనా సరే, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బి, వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ అ ప్రాపర్ కేర్ ఫర్ దెమ్. మనం ప్రాపర్గా కేర్ తీసుకోవాలి వీటిని. ఎందుకు అంటే వీటిని జబ్బుల నుంచి కాపాడాలి. మనం ఎంత నీట్గా ఉంచితే అంత నీట్గా ఉంటాయి. మనకు వీటికి ఏ జబ్బుల్లో మనకు అవి ప్రాపర్ రెగ్యులర్ ఫుడ్ ఏమి ఇస్తాయి అవి మనకు వీ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్ ఫర్ దెమ్. So here he is telling, if we keep proper cleaned, they will not get any diseases, protected from diseases. Here mild disinfects like penile should be used. This extract should be removed immediately. This would not allow to bad smell to develop. So here whatever he is telling extra. So here disinfectants, here like a penile should be used to extract, removed immediately whatever it may be. So whatever they do, it has to take immediately to provide, they would not get bad smell from the whatever the domestic animals like us. How we will protect neatly, how we will be, we have to keep them also very neat. So a special hospital where animals are treated is called veterinary hospital. So here is given animals hospital. So మనది వేరే ఉంటాయి, వాటివి వేరే ఉంటాయి. సో యానిమల్స్ హాస్పిటల్ని ఏమంటారంట? సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నోన్ యాజ్ వెటర్నరీ హాస్పిటల్. సో యానిమల్స్ హాస్పిటల్ వాట్ ఈస్ నోన్ యాజ్ వెటర్నరీ hospital they will. So where the animals are treated, it is known as veterinary. So here also you can see in the factory is given veterinary. So here now wherever the animals are living, domestic animals ekkadaithe untayo, we have to protect them from everything. So మనం ఎలా నీట్గా స్నానం చేస్తామో అవికి కూడా మార్నింగ్ స్నానం చేయిస్తారు. You know, we have to do clean for them, clean neat bathing. After that we have to keep their surroundings, whatever their house is there, that may be cage, kennel, tarvata pet houses, whatever there it may be, we have to keep clean. And whatever vessels we keep food for them, that also clean. Whatever drinking water it may be, we have to keep clean for them. So here caring of animals we have started. How to protect domestic animals, avitni etla rakshinchukovali manam chadivam. Tarvata rakshinchukone oka domestic animals ni ela మనం ఎలా పెట్టాలి, ఎలా నీట్గా ఉంచుకోవాలో we have been learned. So here children, I given 2 formative assessment homework for you, that is page number 89, 90. Formative assessment 2 given for you to. So tomorrow I will continue the domestic animals must be treated, qualify that one, and I will complete tomorrow the lesson children. So now I will leave my class. Thank you very much children. So 4th class children, everyone should be concentrate on your subjects whatever we are telling, and if you are having any doubts, you can ask your parents or elders, or so sisters will be there, you can ask them also. If you are going to tuition, with the help of tuition teachers also you can be learned. So now I leave my class. Thank you very much.